So our campsite host said when you get to site number 9 on the left, there's a cabin with an aspen tree growing out of it. Here's the cabin. A pile of wood. We might have to put it in 4-wheel drive here.
How come?
It's wet. Let's try that.
Hi, buddy.
So we just got to our campsite. It was quite a bouldery drive up here, but it's beautiful. We're definitely secluded out here. There's another site kind of way down there. We saw some deer on the way up. I think we're gonna park the camper right over here and then throw our Pama pickup on this side, and bathroom can go out there. It's a pretty sight. It's quiet out here. It smells beautiful, and the weather is overall cooperating. It is thundering. A little bit of rain, but it's nice and chilly. Feels good. Nice break.
Time for rain jackets. It is chilly and rainy, but that's good. Hi.
Hi.
Thank you. Time to get a spot. I don't know what it is out here that smells so good. You just can, I don't know if it's any of these like weeds or grasses or, oh my God, there's berries on here. Kind of like Christmas, a little bit. Got it. Okay. It's been thundering for some time. I think the storm is rolling in because now it's starting to rain again and the thunder is getting more frequent, I guess. So it's coming.
I don't know why, but every single time we set up, we're racing against the rain. We got the Pama Pick set up first. Thankfully, we can stay nice and dry in here.
My butt's wet now.
We've kind of finished setting up for now until the rain lets up. I'm gonna pour a little bit of that and try and relax. I don't know why, but it's always, setting up is just so stressful for me. Like,
probably because it literally rains every single time we have to set up.
Could be.
Every single time it has.
yeah, we're gonna enjoy the rain, drink some of this bourbon, and relax a little bit.
We're getting rained on a bit from this side, so we're gonna switch this panel to here and hopefully stay dry. Quite rainy. Papsy, get back in there.
Get inside.
It's coming down. Oh my gosh. Still is beautiful though, even though it's raining. Holy cow. We're getting dumped on.
Yeah, it's the hardest rain we've had.
Good thing we have the Pama Pit.
Yeah, man. This is a good idea. Shouldn't, but.
Holy cow.
You sweet baby. What are you doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Paps is my spirit animal.
Paps has a very strong connection with RJ.
He's my buddy.
Sweet baby. Let's go for a walk
You wanna go for walkies? Go exploring?
Boy, go
Go
explore.
exploring? Where are you going? That's do not enter area, bud. Let's go this way.
He loves foreign grass. He has to eat it all.
This is the same campground that we were at, if you guys remember, the Indian burial ground. Different
site.
or ritual site. Different campsite, equally as beautiful. We don't have, you know, kind of mountain views because we're in the mountain this time. But man, we have no neighbors. We are by ourselves on this little hike. I think tomorrow we'll do a little bit more exploring. I'd like to maybe go up there. There's some rocks I'd like to go up over there. Boys are having the time of their lives.
Hey. Are you eating random grass?
Hi, handsome. So we pre-prepped at home a lot of our food. So there's minimal work that needs to be done for us to get cooking. We measured out our pasta. We got all of our pasta sauce ready to go to cook. But we did forget the Dutch oven. We scaled it back a little bit, so it's gonna be close, but I think we'll get this all in the cast iron. All right. This is the recipe that we made in our video before, and we're gonna test it out actually camping. So we've already chopped everything. We're ready to go. We're gonna get cooking. Olive oil.
Look at this.
I know. Look at all this counter space. What? Oh, there it goes.
Good,
Now
yeah.
it's burning. It was not burning before.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't. We're so used to cooking with an electric stove. Like, cooking with a gas stove is so exciting. It's maybe not great for the environment. I don't know. But cooking with it, man, that's the way to go.
Should I open this beer?
Let me know in the comments if Courtney should open this beer. Are we ready, son?
All right, let's go.
What's step one?
Brown the meat.
Correct. We got half pound of Italian sausage. So important note, because it's just the two of us, we cut this recipe down in half because otherwise we'd have a ton of leftovers, and we don't have a great way to store leftovers when we're out camping.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
There's something about cooking a whole meal outside that it's not like grilling. Like grilling like burgers and steak and whatever, like there's something different about making an entire meal outside. If you guys feel the same way, let me know what you think about cooking outside. Hey, we're cooking and it's light out.
It's like one of the first times.
It's not 9 o'clock at night and we're cooking dinner. Hey! Captain's jumping around in the trailer and he's moving my kitchen. I think now we're gonna add onions and garlic. I like to do a little divot there in the center. All right, our onions are about cooked.
Let's go, let's go. Yes! Simmer, simmer.
Ooh.
Pasta, pasta, pasta.
One time when we were at Crandon, Uncle Steve bet me, I think, $10 that I couldn't find a cloud in the sky, and I took that bet. I could not find a cloud in the sky. And yet, of course, Uncle Steve, happy birthday, by the way.
Love you.
Uncle Steve managed to find the one fucking cloud that I couldn't see. I didn't lose $10 because I wasn't really old enough to even have $10. So I feel like it was rigged, but
Wow.
he's the one that's out $10. Oh, shit.
Yeah. Not good for dogs.
Dinner is served.
Thank you.
Hot. Hot. Oh.
Oh my god.
Hot. 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 It's so hot. The pasta is way undercooked, and Courtney loves it.
Like al dente times 10.
She'll eat it just out of the box.
Sit. Oh, you doofus!
I just want to point out that not only are we done cooking, we're done eating, and the sun is still out.
Whoa!
What? Who are these guys?
Doing.
What's down there, bud? You're gonna bury your ma in a hole.
What are you doing?
Burying you. All right, so the sun is just about down.
Down.
I think perhaps, and maybe Courtney would agree with me, that it's time for 1, a fire,
Yeah.
and 2, we gotta turn these lights on, man. It's dark. Boom!
That looks so good.
Let there be light. We really want to see some stars tonight. I don't think it's gonna happen. There's a whole lot of... Ooh, is that a bat? No. Bat or... No, that was a bird. That might have been a bat. I don't know. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think that was a bat or a bird. It's very cloudy. Of course, the sun came out and it was clear skies, and now that it's nighttime, nothing. So I don't know if we're gonna see some stars. We're gonna continue to enjoy this fire. So I'm gonna enjoy my wine, enjoy this fire, enjoy Courtney's company, and then we're gonna go to bed.